Okay, we're back and we're blowing up the zombie brain.
It just, a call just then. So.
There's hardly any PSI.
Is that piss?
Stomp on it. Stomp on it.
Dude, it's gonna blow!
That's where the taste. Okay, now stomp, stomp. Oh no, it's coming out.
It's coming out!
It's coming out. What the hell? What the hell? What the
I think you're gonna.
Oh yeah!
Okay, this hasn't worked yet.
We've got juice
Our
coming
pin
out.
came out.
I think we're gonna have to do a part 3
this
as well.
is an inflated zombie brain,
I think-
actually.
I think we're gonna have to do a part 3. It's coming out here. It's over
Okay,
here.
where's the hole? There, okay.
Okay.
Equipped
Okay.
it. So, well, we just had a...
Don't try
Air
this at
coming out
home.
here. Air is coming out.
Well, we are at home, so you can't really say that.
In. Okay.
Okay. you might
And the
wanna-
final pumping. Commence.
It deflated a bit because the pump pin fell out.
It's gonna blow.
It's leaking a bit out from where the pin is.
Come on. It's gotta keep them pumping.
Is that dog watching?
Yep.
That
It's
thing
standing
used
away.
to fit in there. Used to be
A zombie brain.
smaller than this. I don't think it'll fit anymore. Jump on it. What? Okay, do the honors, Rod.